Good morning, everyone. We will continue chapter 2 in history, socialism in Europe and the Russian Revolution. Part 7. Today we will discuss about the impact of First World War on Russian Empire. The First World War broke out between two European alliances in 1914. These two alliances were known as the Central Powers and the Allied Forces. The main countries of Central Powers were Germany, Austria, and Turkey, that was known as Ottoman Empire. And the main countries of Allied forces were France, Great Britain, and Russia. Later on, Italy, Romania, and USA also joined the group. In Russia, the war was initially popular. The people of Russia supported King Tsar Nicholas II. But as the war continued, this support became thin. The reason was the casualties which took place fighting with Germany and Austria. The Tsar refused to consult the main parties of Duma. Remember that Duma was the parliament of Russia. Anti-German sentiment in Russia also became very high, and because of that, the name of St. Petersburg was changed to Petrograd. The reason was Petersburg was a German name. The king started taking advices of Tsarina Alexandra, who was his wife, and Rasputin. He was a monk and advisor to the king. Such actions of Tsar Nicholas II made him unpopular. Then Russia's army lost very badly in Germany and Austria. About 7 million casualties took place by 1970. As a result, the Russian army started retreating back. Retreating means they started coming back to Russia. While they were coming, they destroyed crops and buildings on the way, because they did not want that these things come in the hands of enemy and they use it against them only. So while coming back to home, they destroyed crops and buildings. But the people who were living there, they had to leave that areas and they became the refugees. So around there were 3 million refugees in Russia because of the First World War. So these things made the king very unpopular. The war also had severe impact on the industry. The country was cut off from the suppliers of industrial goods. As you all know that industries require raw material. If you compare the industrial development of Russia with other European countries, you will find that in Russia, industrial development had not taken place up to that level. They were more dependent on the other countries for the raw material and other industrial goods. These countries near the Baltic Sea they came under the control of Germany, and the industries of Russia fall short of the industrial goods, and because of that they started disintegrating and shutting down. The railways also broke down. Many people became unemployed. There was also labor shortage because all those who could work in the factories, all the able-bodied men, they all were called to join the army. So there was shortage of labor in the industries also. Also, the First World War created an extreme shortage of food. Why? Because most of the food grain was transported to the soldiers, and then little bit was left for the civilians. And because of that, there was extreme shortage of food in Russia, and food riots became very common in many parts of Russia. Food riots is a situation in which people started snatching the food from others. So in this way we can say the First World War had a very bad impact on Russia. People held the king responsible for everything, and in this way the King Tsar Nicholas II became very unpopular because of the First World War. Now let's revise the important points what we have learned today. First, the First World War took place in 1914 between two European alliances, namely the Central Powers and the Allied Powers. Because of anti-German sentiments, the name of St. Petersburg was changed and new name was the Petrograd. There were about 7 million casualties by 1970, and the First World War also had a severe impact on industry. That's all in today's lesson. Thank you and have a nice day.